Hello friends, welcome back to the channel. Welcome to Tuesday's video. So, it's been a very long time since I used this mold set, like so much so that there's a cluster of dust in there. So this is one of those little lantern sets. So it comes with the top, the threaded top that you thread into the top. It has a space for, it's supposed to be for, you know, these kind of battery candles, but it's not big enough, so I usually put some fairy lights in these, and that's what I'm going to play with today. So, Thursday's video is going to be kind of night sky themed colors, so I think I want to do that with this as well, except I want to do, like the Chicago bear skull last week, I want to do clear with drippings of, and see kind of what that looks like if I drip it in. So yeah, so super simple today. I'm going to go ahead and get some resin warmed up and get the colors mixed, and then we will go from there. Okay? Alright, I'm excited. It's been a long time. Let's do it. It's bonus unmolding time. Yeah. Bonus unmolding. I have these cat molds that have been sitting there for a while. They're very, very soft silicone. I just put some black in there. That is so cute. These will make great magnets. Oh my gosh. I'm gonna have to try that. Do have a tiny little bubble right there and one of the horns. But the rest of the horn is fully intact. Alright. That's today's very adorable bonus unmolding. Alright, friends. Well, after I poured it, I realized that I kind of did the opposite of what I should have done or was supposed to do. Or anyway, this was supposed to be clear. That's alright. I'm sure it'll still look cool. So, let's demold the top. Hopefully. Just loosen it up a bit. So, when I filmed the intro, I wasn't really sure how I wanted to do the galaxy pour. And then, like midway through mixing it, I was like, let's just do a dirty pour. Why not? So that's what I did. So you're going to see the repeat footage of me mixing up the colors and everything for Thursday's video. Because I used the same resin for that video. Come on, baby. There we go. Okay. It's looking decidedly less galaxy than I was thinking. Oh, but that's okay. Hopefully this looks cool. I don't know if it's on camera. I can't remember. I did stick a popsicle stick in there and kind of like swirl it around and push it around and stuff to try and get it to incorporate into the clear a bit. Just got little pieces right there. Ew. Okay. Let me put this thing back into shape. Ooh, very cool. Not showing up as well on camera as it does in real life. Wow. That's really cool. There's an encased bubble. Let me see if I can get my camera to focus on it. There's an encased bubble and it looks really freaking cool. Alright, so I'm going to grab some lights and put those in for the glamour shots. Oh, in case you've never seen this mold before, this does indeed screw together and it holds really well. You can use these as sitting decor, or you can even drill the center out of this and hang it on wire to like hang it outside. Kind of like, you know, like fairy lights, like decor. But anyway, that is today's video. It's a little, not exactly what I was going for, but I think it turned out really pretty. Especially in person. This camera just does not show true colors at all. But yeah, if you enjoyed this video, please let me know by hitting the thumbs up button. Really helps out my channel, helps me to grow. Also, if you are new, stick around by clicking the red subscribe button and ringing the bell for notifications. Thank you guys so very much for watching, and I hope that you have a fantastic day. Take care.